Welcome back. No school today, guys, so yeah. Ow! Keep bumping it low, man. So, go off my video. Dead end. Car right behind us. Wow, we go. My dog. Thank you. Thanks. Wow. Hope your baby will hear me because it's windy. Really windy out here. Pretty soon I want to get a wind protector. Hope your baby will hear me. Like the other YouTube will have wind pretty much. It will block the wind. So, yeah. Alrighty, in 2 minutes and 31 and some seconds, 32 seconds. Woo! We're over here on Elgin by McDonald's. Close to it. So, I ain't gotta walk this. We will be back home. So, go far below. Make epic video. Like I said, a couple weeks ago, bike ride video coming soon. A couple days ago. No show today and no show tomorrow. Down to the 34th. Epic. Take a break from the kids. Because the kids kind of loud over there. So, it looks like we have rain coming, guys. I hope it's not rain because it's really cloudy today. Bad. Yes, Dad. Yeah, City of Houston making bike routes all over Houston. Now, thanks for watching.